You are coming to the party this Saturday, aren't you?
I don't think so. You see, we are redecorating the store and we will get off work late.
I see.
Hi, Sophie. What happened? You look so tired.
Hi, Joanne. Yes, you see, I have 2 exams today and I have to work.
I see.
As you can see, today we're going to focus on analyzing the expressions you see and I see in your conversations. Ready? Let's talk.
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio and welcome to your conversation lessons. I am Teacher Sari and in these videos, we're going to focus on analyzing different expressions that will help you improve your conversations. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. In today's video, we're going to analyze the expressions you see and I see. Let's start. In English, there are many expressions that are used regularly. You see and I see are one of the top most used expressions. Let's listen to some examples and analyze the use of you see and I see.
Why do you have so many teddy bears?
You see, people brought them so we can give them to the poor children this Christmas.
Oh, I see.
You have so many paintings.
Yes, you see, I have an exhibition this Saturday.
I see.
Analyzing these conversations, we can say that you see is used when we want to explain something that someone might not know.
Yes, you see, I have an exhibition this Saturday.
Also, analyzing the dialogues, we can say that we use I see to express that we understand something.
Oh, I see.
Perfect. Now practice using you see to explain something and I see to express that you understand something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next conversation lesson. Bye!